In this video, we will cover how to install a custom universal locking handhold cover on a decorative pole with a cast door. Doors sold separately. First, remove the decorative cast door and install the universal locking handhold cover onto the door. If using light pole systems provided doors, the holes are pre-drilled. If using existing doors, two 7/16" holes need to be drilled using our drilling template. Next, reinstall the door onto the light pole. To install the backing plate into the pole, you may need to remove the bottom bolt. Fit the cover plate in place and tighten the bolts. Install the cover plate and lock. Be sure to test fit your lock before final installation. Your installation is complete. Visit www.lightpolesystems.com or call 714-786-8983 to learn more. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.